various forms of equation of straight line. The first one is slope form. Slope form means equation of straight line passing through the origin and having slope m is y equals to mx plus y equals to mx. If a line passing through the origin and the slope of the line is m, then equation of the line in slope form is y equals to mx. Suppose x-axis, y-axis, origin. If any line passing through the origin, then the coordinates of the origin is 0, 0. Any point on the line P is in the form of x comma y. So slope of the line, slope formula y m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. That means m equals to y2 minus y1, y minus 0 by x2 minus x1, x minus 0. That equals to m equals to y by x. So m into x equals to y equals to m x.